I'm using AI to get thousands of leads for my business. Check it out. Now I'm inside my Instagram account and I want to show you the AI video that was completely made using a software. Check it out.
Feeling stuck in a job you can't stand? You're not alone. Imagine turning your after hours into a thriving side hustle. I've got something just for you. A free 7-part series made with dads in mind. This isn't just any side hustle. It's the best in the world. Tailored for anyone.
Yes, that video was completely done using AI. It cloned my hand motions, my face, and my voice. And the cool thing is that one video made me thousands of dollars because people were commenting in the comments, and then we were able to message those people, and some of those people ended up buying our courses, our software, and so forth. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get thousands of leads using 100% AI. Now this is perfect if you don't want to use your own voice, if you don't want to be on camera, and if you're not sure what to say in a video. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jonathan Montoya and welcome to my channel. And the whole purpose is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. I was actually able to leave my 9-to-5 job within 9 months of starting my online business. So if you're interested in quitting your 9-to-5 job, achieving financial and time freedom, please check out my videos on YouTube, but let's get into this video on AI. All right, so going back to my Instagram account, I've been creating these AI videos to prove that anyone can start creating content even if they're scared to get on camera. Now, most of the time, I know how to create content. I'm okay creating videos, but I have been creating videos just to prove that anyone can do this using artificial intelligence and ChatGPT, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. But I want to show you right here with this video, you can see people are commenting, free course, free course, free course, because at the end of this video, I'm actually telling people to comment the word free course. Okay. Now I want to show you another example of a video that I did. This is it right here. You can see 68 comments. Okay. And this one was also done using AI. Now, if you go to my Instagram, you could pretty much tell if it's AI, but you can see right here, people are actually commenting AI. Okay. So what I did was I just created a video talking about how to get leads using AI. And basically I'm going to show them this YouTube video that you're watching. Okay. So that was the goal of this, just to show you proof that this works. So let me show you how to actually do this. Super easy. Now the software we're going to use to create these videos is called HeyGen. And I'll have a link down in the YouTube description below. That way you can get access to HeyGen absolutely free. At least you can get started with no credit card, and then obviously once you start creating videos, they'll charge you depending on how many videos and the length of those videos. But more importantly, I want to show you how you can use this content to actually make money. So before I go into how to create these AI videos, the number one thing that you need is an offer. Now, whether you're an affiliate marketer or you have your own digital products or whatever it is that you do, you have to have an offer. My students, I teach them how to use affiliate marketing to quit their 9-to-5 job. And essentially all affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products and you get a commission. It's one of my favorite ways to make money online and to quit your job because you can start making money without having to create the products yourself. Now, if you're watching this video and you just want to get leads to an existing digital product, this is going to help you as well. But if you don't have a product, I want to show you what you can do to find a product. That way you can start promoting. Now, if you're completely not sure how affiliate marketing works, this is the framework that I've used to promote multiple different products and have multiple different products pay me every single month. Now, as you see on the screen, this is what I use to build an affiliate marketing business. Okay. I basically send traffic to a page where I can collect an email, because then those emails are then sending to multiple different products. Okay. So I'm not going to go too much into this because this is about how to create videos using AI. But if you do want to learn this method, how I promote multiple different products and how you can use a software to do it for you, I'm going to leave a link down below as well to my 72-hour challenge. In that challenge, I not only give you all the products to start promoting, I also give you a software that way it can do everything for you. Again, this is if you don't have an affiliate product product, or if you don't know how to start affiliate marketing, if you already have your own product or you're a local business, don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how to get traffic now. All right, so step number one to creating an AI video with your own face and your own voice is by signing up for a free account on HeyGen.com. Now, again, I left a link down below in the YouTube description. That link will get you free access without having to enter a credit card. Now, once you're signed into HeyGen, you want to go and create an instant avatar. Now, HeyGen gives you 3 instant avatars that you can create. As you can see right here, I have this version with this shirt, and then I have this one with a different background and a different shirt. Okay, so you can kind of create different scenes depending on how much content you want to create. Okay, so I left one open for now. That way you can see exactly how this works. Okay, so it's super easy to start doing this. Okay, so all you do is click on a free instant avatar. So again, you're going to have 3 of these that you can go and create. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit get started, and then doesn't matter here, just hit text instructions, and it's going to tell you what you need to do. Okay, so you need to submit a 2-minute video. Okay, now this video doesn't need to be anything, right? You could literally just be talking to yourself, nothing professional. All this is doing is getting your hand motions, your eyes, the way you talk, right? So you can see that's what this is doing. Okay, so basically what you want to do is just copy the instructions that you see here, right? You want to submit at least a 2-minute video, high resolution, well lit area, look directly in the camera, pause between sentences, and then use your gestures that you normally use. Okay, now what this is going to do is this is going to get your AI avatar, right? Again, this video right here, it almost looks exactly like me and how I do things, right? Like the way I do my hands, like it's crazy how accurate this thing gets. Okay, so that's what you want to do. Okay, this is 100% AI. So going back to this, just hit next step, and then you're going to upload the video. Okay, so again, this needs to be a 2-minute to 5-minute video. So you're going to go ahead and upload that. So you can go ahead and upload that in your files. Let me see if I have something. All right, so I'm just going to click on this video right here. There it is. You can see it's about 5 minutes, and then all it's going to do is you're going to hit all these checks. You're going to say my footage looks good, and then it's going to ask you to record a consent. Okay, so all this is saying, hey, I give you permission to create this AI avatar. Okay, so which is cool because no one can just go and create videos of yourself. This is going to basically just allow you to create your own avatar. Okay, so it's not like you can go create a fake avatar of somebody. Okay, so basically it's going to tell you what you need to do in this consent. You just say, hey, I declare blah blah blah. I'm not going to say it because I don't want someone to use this video, but you know what I mean. So that's what you say here, and then I'm going to go ahead and preview script, and that's it. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to come up with your avatar. Okay, so you're going to have, you know, your first avatar here, or your second and your third, if you've already done that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and for example, I can now use this to create content. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to click on my avatar, and for this example, I'm going to use portrait. Okay, so I want to create an Instagram reel, so I'm going to go ahead and hit portrait here, and now all I have to do is enter the script for this video. I'm going to do an example of how to promote my product because obviously I know my product in and out, but obviously if you have a different product, you're going to want to write a different script. Okay, so I definitely want to spend some time into how I write this script because this is where it separates people that will get sales and separate people who don't get any sales, right? And it comes down to the copywriting. Okay, what you actually say in the video, it needs to have a hook. It needs to have some sort of story. It needs to have some sort of offer. Okay, hook, story, offer is usually how I do things. Okay, so in this video right here, I basically talked about how you can quit your 9-to-5 job, and then I also give them an offer, right? There's an offer that I have at the end, and I say, hey, if you want this free course, you know, comment down below. But you'll notice this is the hook right here. Okay, I say for dads that want to quit their boss, or for dads that want to tell their boss, I quit. So that's the hook. And then I tell them a story. And then at the end of it, I say comment free course to get access to this, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. Now I'm gonna get the help from ChatGPT, okay? All right, so for the script, I'm actually gonna use ChatGPT because that's one of the best places to get a free copywriting script, okay? Now you do want to prompt ChatGPT exactly what you want, okay? You can't just say, hey, write me a script to make money online, right? Like you need to know your offer, you need to know the pain points because AI is smart, but it's still not as smart where it knows your entire business, okay? So for explanation, for those who don't know, what I'm doing, what I'm trying to sell is I'm trying to get people to my 72-hour challenge, okay? Because inside of my challenge, I show people how they can clone my 7-figure business using this Unfair software, okay? And the way I get people to there is I give them a free course as a lead magnet, okay? So if people click on this link here, basically they can get my free course, and that's how I can get them to my 72-hour challenge, okay? So that's what I'm gonna prompt ChatGPT, okay? I'm gonna let them know this is exactly what I want you to do. Go ahead and write me a script. So I'm gonna go ahead and write this out and I'm gonna show you what I wrote. All right, so I just wrote out the prompt. Now, as you can see, I said, write me a 30-second script that gets people to want my 7-part series on how to quit their job. The series is 100% free. And within that series, I show them how they can start making money with multiple different products. And the best part about the series is I teach them how to use this Unfair software to start making money. And I also say, make sure at the end of the script to have them comment 7-part series to get free access. Okay. So this is what I'm telling ChatGPT. I want them to write me a script, but what I want you to understand is I'm very, very specific on what I want the script to sound like. Okay. So I'm going to hit enter and let's see what it gives me. All right. So as you can see, it's starting to write the script. It even has the timestamps, as you can see right here. So let's take a look at this. It even has music, but I don't need the music. So I'm just going to say, write the script without timestamps and in one paragraph. Okay. Because all I want is a script because HeyGen is going to do everything for me. So let's go ahead and read this and see what it sounds like. Okay. So it says, feeling trapped in your 9-to-5 job, dreaming of a life with more freedom. Introducing our 7-part series on how to break free and start earning on your own terms. Discover various income generating products and the secrets to mastering them. Our step-by-step guide makes it simple and achievable. And the best part, you'll learn to leverage an Unfair software that catapults your earning potential. Ready to transform your life? Comment 7-part series now for free access and embark on your journey to financial independence. So that's not a bad script for the first go around. Now, I could go in ChatGPT and say, hey, take this out, take that out, make it sound, more appealing, more funny, whatever it is, right? You can tell it to do whatever you want. But now I can take this script, put that into HeyGen, and now I can create my video. So let's do that next. Now I did want to fix it. So I just said, make it more funny. And can you make sure that the Unfair software is talked about before the free series? Okay. So just because I don't want to say get our free series without giving them some value first. Okay. So as you can see, this is the new script right here, but I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I think it's ready to go. It sounds pretty good. We're going to go back to HeyGen and now we're going to copy this script inside of here. Okay. So this is ready to go. All I got to do here is push this play button. Now it's going to take a few seconds and it's going to use your voice to create the video. I'll be back. All right. So once you hit the play button, it's going to be ready to go. And now you can submit the actual video. So on the top right, you're going to hit submit and then it's going to say, hey, this is how much credits you need. So I typically do my videos under 30 seconds just so I don't have to pay as many credits. And typically in 30 seconds, I could give enough value to get people to take action. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And now HeyGen is going to create the video for you. Now, typically it'll take anywhere between 10, 20, even 30 minutes, depending on the video. So I'm going to actually go to this old video that I created for the purposes of this video. But all you have to do is hit download right here. And it's going to download the video, as you can see, to your computer. Okay. So once you do that, now all we have to do is upload that video to Instagram or TikTok or YouTube Shorts or wherever you want to do that. So as an example, on Instagram, all you would do is go to Instagram and hit create, and then you can hit post and you could go ahead and select from your computer. As you can see, I'll click on the video and it's going to go ahead and upload this to Instagram, as you can see right here. And now I can simply just post the video on Instagram. Now, one thing I want to note here is if you go to this video, the one that I showed you in the beginning, now if you look at the captions, I say, do you want my 7-part series on how to quit your job? Say free course down below, right? Remember, I said that in the actual video itself, but I also want to say this in the caption, right? Because the whole goal of this is to get people to engage. Now, I could have just said, hey, go to the link in the bio and get access to my course, right? So just so you know, right, people can go to this link right here and that takes them to, you know, the free course or the 7-part series, right? That's where I'm trying to get them to. But if you notice, I'm trying to get people to comment, right? I could obviously say that, you know, go to the bio and get access, but what happens with the algorithm, right? If you get people to comment, it's going to show it to more and more people, right? So that's what I like to do. It takes a little bit more time because you have to go and reply, but you'll notice, you know, I'll say a long reply, right? Because when people go and see the reply, they're going to spend more time on the video, right? So you can see here, I say, hey, thank you so much for taking the time to respond. I have a 7-part series in the Instagram bio. You will see the link that takes you to the free program. However, if you want quicker results and you want someone to walk you through the process, I recommend my 72-hour challenge. All my links are in my profile and you will find everything there. Please let me know if you have any questions. So I'm doing several things there, right? I make a long paragraph. That way people are on the video longer. It shows that the video is playing over and over, right? So that gets the algorithm to push the video out more. Also, I'm not just saying, hey, go to the link in my bio. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get them pre-excited to click on that link, right? You guys got to understand, right? People aren't just going to go to a link and take action just because, right? Yeah, maybe they saw the video, they got excited, but maybe they forgot why they commented, right? So I want to get them pre-excited again, right? I want to show them why they need to go to the link and why it's going to benefit them. There's several reasons why I write a longer paragraph, and that's because one, of the algorithm, but two, I want to get them excited to want to click on that link, right? So that's the whole goal, is we want to play with the algorithm, but also we need to get people excited to take the time to go click on the link and take action, right? That's the whole goal and purpose, is getting people excited to do the thing that you want them to do. Now, the next step in this process is taking that video, but also posting it on Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, LinkedIn, right? You want to be able to take that same video and post it on multiple platforms, right? That's how you're going to get your word out to more people. Now, this again is perfect if you don't want to go and create your own videos. I just proved to you that you can get leads, you can get people to comment if you know how to create these videos. Now, it's really important that you don't just take whatever ChatGPT gives you, right? I specifically told ChatGPT what I wanted it to say, plus I still changed it so it made sense, right? Because AI and ChatGPT are great, but they're still not humans, right? They still don't know the pain that people are going through, right? So that's why it's really important that you know your product in and out, right? You know the pain, you know how that product can help someone get from pain to where they want to be, right? And that's the main goal of understanding, you know, how this works. So I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to be doing more videos like this. If you want more training like this on how to make videos using AI, say AI leads down in the comments, and I'm going to be doing more if I get enough comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.